So guys, vSnazzy on back here. So today we got something different in my no challenges or scootering videos. Here we got how to cook in the hood. So what you do, you got your aluminium foil here, your $1 one from Woolworths if you live in Australia. What you do, wind it out, whack it on, fucked up, put it on here on your clean barbecue. Just imagine it was clean. Yep. You got our sauce. Oh, that happens. Whack a bit more off like this. Get off, whack it off. Oh yeah, put on your clean barbecue. You got your sausages here. What you do? Whack your sausages on here like this. Whack them on there like this. Whack a bit more on there, you know, spread them out. If you want them to cook faster, secret recipe, get some butter out here. Whack the butter on there, you know, give you fucking more butter. Whack it all on there. Keep going. Whack it on there. Right here. Another secret recipe, tomato sauce, main ingredient. What you do, you fucking put it all on there like this, all on there like this, yep. More sausages like that. If you want to make your home brand bread right here, $1 from Woolworths. What you do, get the bread, throw the bread on there like this. The whole loaf, throw it on there, all the butter as well. Some more tomato sauce, a bit more, guys. Just gonna pour it all on there. Now that's how you cook in the hood, guys. If you wanna do it again, just send me some links to videos. Do some videos, yeah. So guys, part 2 will be on the way soon. See ya. Back here again. So once you saw before is how to cook in the hood. So just say clean up in the hood. Just get your water, just bang it on here. Clean it all up, you know, you just clean it up, that's what you've got to do. Get some alfoil, whack it off again, bring it around like this, bring it around, bring it up like that. That's how you clean up. Like and subscribe.